Hi, this is David Malcolm at High Sierra Shower Heads. For those who have purchased our manually regulated handheld kit because they have low water pressure, our recommendation is that you select the lower or the smaller nozzle sizes, like 1.25, 1.5, or no higher than 1.8. And the reason why is because we don't really know why the water pressure is as low as it is. And it's possible that by increasing the flow rate of the nozzle to 2 or 2.5 gallons a minute, it will only increase the amount of pressure it was. So our recommendation is to select smaller or lower flow rates.